Good morning, everyone.
Morning,
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, sir?
I'm fine. How are you?
Sir, fantastic.
We are on exercise 20E, and we have done how many questions of exercise 20E?
Sir, question number 2 we have done. Till question number 2.
We have done the second question. I think we have done the third one also.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Fourth, I think we have done the fourth also. Look in your copies, everyone.
Also,
We have not done the fourth one. We have done first and second. Third one is your homework. Have we done the fourth
sir,
one?
please wait.
Third one I gave in homework.
Yes, sir, you gave.
So question 4. Find the radius of a circle whose circumference is 57.2 centimeters. Circumference of a circle is given 57.2.
Sir,
Yes.
so question number 3 is our homework.
Yes.
Sir, you told yesterday
Okay, sir.
only.
Day before yesterday.
So yesterday, sir attend your class on Sunday.
Day before yesterday. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 57.2 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. Okay. So we can use the same formula to find radius. If the circumference is given and you have to find radius, you can use the same formula to find radius. Okay, like this, putting the value of circumference, and we can form an equation and find r. 57.2 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to r. Now simplify this. 572 into 7, removing the decimal from the numerator, we can multiply the denominator by 10. Okay, multiplying by 10 in the denominator because we have removed the decimal. Divide by 2. 2, 6, sorry, 8, 6, 286 divided by 11. 2, 6, 26. Divide by 2 again, 13. 13 into 7 is 91. 91 upon 10 is equals to 9.1 centimeters. This is the radius of the circle. Okay. Any doubt in the question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Start doing question number 5. Same type of question. Find the radius.
Okay, sir.
First find the radius and then double the radius. You will get the diameter.
Okay, sir.
First find the radius, then double the radius and you will get the diameter. Question 5. Same type. Exactly same. Okay. Do it and post your answer of question 5 in the group.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
so here why we have added 10?
Why we have added 10? We have
Oh, sir,
removed
got it. We have removed the point.
your answer of question 5 and keep your videos on, everyone. Keep your videos on. Yes, have you all posted your answer in the group?
Sir, just posting. Sir, just finding the diameter.
All of you, please quickly post it. Sarah has posted the answer.
Sir,
Checking your answer. Six 38 divided by 22 is 9. Is it?
sorry, sir, it's 29, but by mistakenly I have written 9.
It is 29. 29 into 7 is 87. Answer will be 8.7. Sorry, not 8.7. It will be 87 only. बेटा क्या कर रहे हैं आप लोग? My God. तानिया, कैलकुलेटर मत यूज किया करो यार तुम लोग. This calculation is very simple, easy calculation. You can do it with your hands. Don't use calculators at all.
Sir, we don't use.
मैं सानिया की कॉपी देख के मैं एक बार में समझ गया था she has used calculator.
Yes, sir, I will
हाँ,
use.
वो मेरी मल्टीप्लिकेशन गलत हो जाती है तब भी मैं
हाँ.
यूज नहीं करती.
So 63.8 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R. So R will be 638 into 7 upon 2 into 22 into 10. 638 divided by 22 is 29. 29 into 7 is 87. 87 upon 20. This is the radius. Now to find the diameter. To find the diameter, you will multiply by 2. Radius
Sir, into
multiply.
2.
87 upon 20 into 2. So we get 80. This is 87. Sorry. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, like,
No,
sir,
no.
Hani has copied mine, sir, because, sir, like, her and mine answer is, sir, everything is same.
Ania.
So she's copied me in the previous exercise.
Sir, you can see the class group.
I will just take it. Beta 638 multiplied by 7 is not 87. Why I am writing 87 again and again? मैं 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ. I'm sorry. 29 into 7. 7 3s are 63. 6 14 plus 6 203. It is 203. Okay.
Okay, sir.
203 upon 20 into 2. Multiply the radius by 2. You will get the diameter. So what do you get? You get 203 upon 10, which is equal to 20.3 centimeters. Meters. Because the circumference is given in meters, so diameter will be in meters. This is also in meters. Radius. Okay.
So now I have done again, but now in a
Sir,
correct.
in other classes also. So they used to copy, sir, like 1 or 2, sir, they used to copy of someone else and then send it on group.
Who?
So now I have done by myself, like
Sir,
without
has
using the
copied mine.
calculator.
Sir, the
It is
whole.
correct.
Sir, the whole.
Anu, beta, your answer is wrong.
Sir, I'm sending it, but it's not uploading.
Anu, the answer is wrong. You have done the same mistake which Sarah did earlier.
No, sir, Hania.
हानिया वही तो कह रहा हूँ. हानिया.
So I think you were saying, sir, you were saying Sania.
No.
So the names sound same.
Beta, don't copy each other's
So
work.
now I have done.
Do it yourself. Even if you are doing wrong, do it yourself. Don't copy each other's work.
So just now I have done by myself without using the calculator.
The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeters. The circumference, all of you, please pay attention. I will help you only in making the equation of this question. Okay. Rest of the work you have to do. The circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 30 centimeters. Okay. So it is kind of a linear equation. You have done similar things in linear equation chapter. So let the circumference be C and the diameter be D. So we can say that circumference, it is given in the question, circumference of a circle is that means equal to, circumference of a circle exceeds its diameter by 80 centimeter, exceeds the diameter by 30 centimeters, sorry, 30. So that means diameter plus 30 is equal to circumference. ठीक है? Got it? Circumference of a circle exceeds the diameter by 30 centimeters. Now this is the equation. We will find the value of radius from this equation. How? You will write circumference as 2 pi r. Write the formula of circumference 2 pi r. In place of diameter, you will write r upon 2. Sorry, 2r. Diameter is 2r. Double of r, 2r equals to 30. Sorry, plus 30. Okay. Now we have got this equation. It is a linear equation. You can see there is the power of r is 1. It is a linear equation in one variable. There is only one variable in the equation, which is r. So now put the value of pi, 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 2r plus 30.
30.
So 2 into 22 is 44. 44 upon 7 r minus 2r is equal to 30. Here the denominator is 1. So taking LCM, 7 is the LCM. 44r minus 14r is equal to 30. Are you all getting it?
Yes, sir. So it's just like linear equations.
Yes. So 44r minus 14r is 30r. 30r upon 7 is equal to 30. Cross multiply, r equals to 30 into 7 upon 30. Cross multiplication.
Okay.
So 30 is 30, 30 will be cancelled. R equals to 7 centimeters.
Centimeters.
Okay. So it is an easy question.
Yes, sir, it was. So just we have to make the equation.
The just one thing was there in the question, that is forming the equation
So make
correctly.
the equation.
Hmm.
Sir, noted. So you can hatao this from the board.
Okay.
I didn't know, sir.
Sir, please 1 minute. Don't hataw it from the board.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, others have not done. So please don't hatao this from it.
Yes, and now you can hataw. I have done.
Sir, what is happening? Like,
Question number 7. Everyone. Question 7 is the ratio. Good question. Just a minute. The ratio of, post your answers, everyone. Question 6. The ratio of the radii of two circles is 5:3. Now there are two circles in the question. There are two circles. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1 first circle, case 2 second circle. Okay. So the ratio of the radius of the two circles, the radii of the two circles is 5 is
Sir,
to
why
3.
it's written ready?
Radii, that is radii. Radii is the plural form of radius. Radius is the singular form, radii is the plural form. Okay, because there are two radius, so that is why radii, two circles. So the ratio of radii of two circles is 5 is to 3.
Sir, first one is 5x.
So in the first case, let's take the radius as 5x. In the second case, let's take the radius as 3x. 5 is to 3. Okay. Circumference. Circumference of the first circle, 2 pi r1.
Sir, 5x.
Okay. And circumference of the second circle,
Sir, 2 pi.
just a minute, 2 pi r2. Okay. R1 means
Sorry, sir.
radius of first circle and R2 means radius of second circle. Now C1's circumference of first circle is equal to 2 pi into 5x. Let's put R1 equals to 5x. Radius of the first circle is 5x. And C2 is 2 pi 3x. Are you all getting it till here? Any doubt till here in the
Yes,
question?
sir.
No,
No,
sir, no
sir.
doubt.
Okay. So now the ratio, to find the ratio of the two circles, we will first form a fraction C1 upon C2. This will give you the ratio of the two circumferences. Okay. So C1 upon C2, that means 2 pi into 5x upon 2 pi into 3x. 2 pi cancelled. It becomes 5x upon 3x. X cancelled. 5 upon 3. Can we say that the ratio of the circumferences of the two circles is
Yes, sir.
also 5 is to 3?
Yes, sir.
So if the ratio of the radius is 5 is to 3, then the ratio of the circumference is also 5 is to 3. That means there is no change in the ratio of the circumferences. If the whatever the ratio of the radius is, radii of the two circles is the same is the ratio of the circumferences of the two circles. Okay.
Sir, do we have to note this?
Yes, beta, obviously. Note down the question in your copy. Done. Can we start with question 8?
Yes, sir.
Sir, just a second. Yes. Sir, like C1 and C2 is equal to 5 ratio 3.
Yes, C1, C2 ratio of the two circumferences is 5 is to 3.
So, sir, what's the radius? So, 5 centimeter and 3
Radius,
centimeter.
we don't have to find the radius. We just have to find the ratio of circumferences.
Okay, sir.
We can't find the radius in this case because no other hint is given in the question to find the radius exactly.
Sir, done.
And also there is no use of finding the radius. We can find the ratio without finding the radius of the two circles. So same we have done here.
Sir, done.
Done.
Yes. Question number 8. How long will a man take to make a round of a circular field of radius 21 meter? There is a circular field. The radius of this circular field is given. "21 meter. This is a circular field. A man is taking round of this circular field. That means he is riding a cycle. Cycle? Yes, he's cycling on the boundary of this circular field. Okay. The man is cycling on the boundary of the circular field. Now, you have to find how much time will he take to complete one round. If the speed is given 8 kilometers per hour. This is the speed at which he is cycling. So speed is given in the question. We have to find time. How are you going to find the time? With the help of speed. First of all, we will find out that how much distance he has to cover. If we know the distance and speed, can we find time? In science, you have learned this, that if we know the distance and speed, we can find time. Can you tell me how to find time if we know the speed and
Yes,
distance?
sir.
Tell me.
Sorry.
Yes. How to find time if you know the speed and distance?
Sir, if we will know the speed and distance, how to
Sir,
find the
we will
time?
multiply.
Yes. How to find the time?
Sir, we will write distance upon no, sir. Sir, like speed upon distance.
Time
So
is
distance
equal
upon
to
distance upon
distance upon speed. Speed is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to distance upon time. Distance is equal to speed into time. ये सब फॉर्मूले एक ही हैं. किसी भी एक फॉर्मूले को याद कर लो. You can get all the other by using it only. Suppose if I know distance is equal to speed into time. So if I want to find time, I will just take this s in the denominator. ये s LHS में जाके denominator में चला जाएगा. So what is the formula of time? Distance upon speed is equal to time. So just learn any one formula. You can make the other two formulae using that only. Am I right or not? Right or not?
Sir. Yes, sir.
So now we have to find the distance, that how much distance he has covered. Only then we can find time. So how will you find the distance? So distance covered by the man in one round. What is the distance covered by the man in one round? Can you tell me? How will you find the distance covered by the man in one round?
sir speed upon time.
Distance covered by the man in one round is equal to the circumference of the circle.
Yes, sir.
Right or not? So that means we can use the formula of circumference and we can find out the distance covered by the man. For this, we know the radius of the circle. What is the radius? 21. Are you all getting the point or not? This is how we can find the distance.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
divide it, we get 132 meters. This is the distance covered. But there is a problem here, small problem, not a very big problem. The problem is that the speed is given in kilometers per hour. You can see speed is in kilometer per hour. Distance is in meters. Distance is in meters. So how will you make the units same? You will change the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second. 8 kilometers per hour can be changed in meter per second by multiplying it by 5 upon 18. Again, ये आपको साइंस में पढ़ाया गया होगा. Your science teacher must have told you how to change
Yes,
Yes,
kilometer
sir.
sir.
per
In
hour to
time and
meter per
motion.
second. Yes.
Time and
So
motion
8
chapter.
multiplied by 5 upon 18 changes the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So now this is 4, this is 9, we get 20 upon 9 meter per second. This is the speed. Now let's find the time. Time is equal to distance divided by speed. Am I right? Distance upon speed, distance divided by speed is time. What is the distance? Distance is 132. 132 divided by speed, 20 upon 9. So this is 132 multiplied by 9 upon 20. On simplifying, you will get 66 into 9, 54, 4, 59, 594 upon 10. That is equals to 59.4 seconds. Why in seconds? Because the speed is in meter per second. So you will get time in seconds. This is the answer. 59.4 seconds. He will take 59.4 seconds to complete one round of the field, circular field. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Have you done numericals like this based on speed, time, and distance in science? You've done numericals?
No, sir.
No.
So we have this this
No,
formula.
sir.
We have just.
So we have just learned this formula.
We should do the numericals also.
So we have done like
The question in the copy, everyone.
So done.